some very beautiful autumn scenes from tiny Maligrad in Bulgaria as I'm walking on this 30 degrees very steep path, guys, and ideal to test the stabilization in post with Gyroflow. And believe it or not, I'm barely walking. I better hold myself here, but I want you to experience these beautiful colors shot with the S24 Ultra and of course with MotionCam Pro 4K 60 FPS direct log video. And I better don't fall, but if I do, I hope this stabilization is going to compensate. Very beautiful colors here. Autumn approaching. We have orange, yellow, green colors. So beautiful that when the video is not stabilized, that's a problem. And this is why I'm now saving this video with the data from the accelerometer and the gyroscope. To use these data, loaded them in the Gyroflow and stabilize it. And I'm going to show you the unstabilized video and the stabilized video, and you're going to let me know, guys, if you think it's better. And what do you think about it? Would you try MotionCam Pro or any other thing like the NC24 Pro or Blackmagic or any other third-party camera that can give you a lot of freedom to express yourself? Shooting raw video with MotionCam, or even going up and using crazy bit rates, crazy codecs, resolutions, everything you can do. And it's a very good way to just bypass the limitation that we have from the stock camera. Just again, take a look at this beautiful scene, guys. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. Now we are ascending from this very steep path, and luckily there is something for us to grab here. It's 30 degrees, guys, and it's a good time to test the stabilization with Gyroflow. 4K 60 FPS, S24 Ultra, MotionCam Pro, and stabilized video. OIS is turned off, but the gyro and accelerometer data is turned on. So I'm now using this to demonstrate the stabilization capabilities in post with Gyroflow. Yep, indeed, it is very steep, 30 degrees. Yeah, could be steeper, but still.